What is full-service moving? In full-service moving, you only have to hire a professional moving company and they will take care of packing, unpacking, loading, unloading, and driving the truck to your destination. Now, what is self-moving or do-it-yourself moving, DIY move? In self-moving or DIY moving, moving tasks are the same, but you are the responsible person for packing, unpacking, loading, unloading, and driving the truck to the destination. It's time to compare these two based on different factors. 1. Control over move. Full-service move, you can only decide the mover and moving date, everything else in the moving is controlled by the moving company. Self-move, you have complete control over the move. There is more flexibility in moving dates, and time, and handling other moving tasks. 2. Cost variation. Full-service moving companies are expensive, but they include several costs: cost of packing material, packing, moving laborers, distance covered, moving supplies, and cost of disassembling and reassembling. Self-move, it seems cost-efficient, but there are additional hidden costs like rental truck charges, gas charges, packing and moving supplies, etc. 3. Physical labor. Full-service move, all heavy work including physical labor is handled by professionals and they use moving equipment to carry large items. Self-move, you have to carry heavy and large items by yourself. And you might not have moving dollies and ropes to carry large items. The chances of injury are higher. 4. Insurance. Full-service moving company may also include insurance for your belongings. Self-move, you are required to carry insurance to drive a truck, and there is no insurance for item damage or any physical damage. So, have you reached any decision? If yes and want to hire a professional moving company, then visit Vanlines Move at vanlinesmove.com. Or call 833-706-1800 for a quick moving quote.